This side Siddharth Mukherjee. Today I am making one video about our Nifty and Bank Nifty, uh, Nifty and Bank Nifty movement about the tomorrow. Okay, so here what I am thinking in Nifty we can go some extent here around 16,855. This is the resistance zone, and if the breakouts will happen into this Nifty, then I'm thinking that the Nifty will move near 17,760 and then finally 18,130 and 18,150. So this is the zone from where the Nifty will start falling again, and then it will take the base near 15,700, 15,600 again. Then it will start moving upside, and this after that it will move near 24,000, 23,000 like this. Okay, so this is the very huge range of, if you see, the consolidation is happening, and this consolidation is nothing but exactly is the corrective wave that is happening after reset into the Elliott wave. So Elliott wave got reset into the Nifty, and if you see that Nifty recent waves, and that five impulsive waves I drawn like this this is the five impulsive wave, and three corrective wave, that is Elliott ABC wave is this one. Okay, it will go near, I think, so corrective wave. But what I have seen that after completion, whenever this again impulsive wave will get started, so what it does exactly, it take 1,200 or 18,100 approx, then it will fall back again, and it will not go beyond this one. Whatever the last fall was there, 15,500 lowest was there, so it will remain near 15,000 800 or 16,000, and from there the movement will get started again like this, like this. Okay, like this it will start moving upside. So this is my understanding, this is my thought. I may be wrong. I am not saying that I will be the 100% correct, but this is the way the Elliott wave after the reset from the pandemic, it exactly got reset, and this is the corrective wave. The corrective wave is also, I think, it's getting completed, and now the after the corrective wave the impulsive wave is starting. So this is the Nifty, and if we talk about Bank Nifty, if we talk about the Bank Nifty as well, if you see here, this is again, okay. So this was the impulsive wave, and the corrective wave ABC. This one is a ABC. Now ABC is completed. So if this one will get started above above this, to till where it will go, my thought process is it will go near 38,200 or 37,900 approx. It will go. Then again it will fall, but the fall will not become below the lowest point, that 32,200, wherever the lowest point there. Then it will come back like this, it will come back like this. Okay, then it will move like this, then again like fifth wave, like this. Okay, so this is my thought process and prediction. I may be wrong. I'm not saying that I will be the 100% correct. I may be wrong, but this is what I have learned and what I have learned it during my process of learning for the last 5 years, that I'm believing that it will happen. And believe, conceive, and then achieve. This is the process for any trader. Okay, so now go to the lower time frame. In the lower time frame, you will see, I will remove everything. I will remove everything. You will see that this was the exactly the support line, and this was the support line. Okay, this support line got break and it got support near 32,259, and again it started moving up. So this whatever the support line was there, it become resistance, but resistance easily caused with the gap up, and it took the support, then it started moving up. Now what I'm seeing here exactly, if you see, it will easily, it can go near 35,900. Okay, if from the 3500 is, if breakout will happen, then it will go further upside. Otherwise it will go, it will come up from 35,900 downside little bit till here, and then again start moving upside. So this is the course, this is the exactly what will happen in near future with the bank nifty. Okay, and this is the resistance area, that's why I'm telling you that it will come near 35,900, 16,100, like this area, and from there little bit correction will happen, then again it will go upside. This is the understanding what I have. Okay, so if you have any confusion, if you think that uh, it may or may not happen, just let me know, and comment your own thought process into the YouTube channel, and please like and subscribe. Your friend Siddharth Mukherjee, always with you. And if you wish to join my channel, you can see here, this is the bulls and bears fight. Bulls and bears fight, this is my channel, and this is my group. Here you can join. Okay, thank you.